Dear students, today in this session I come up with one more new topic. The topic name is mathematical operations. దీన్ని తెలుగులో గణిత పరిక్రియలు అంటాం. I repeat, the topic name is mathematical operations. గణిత పరిక్రియలు అని చెప్పి అనడం జరుగుతుంది. So in this mathematical operations we are having only two types of problems. Type 1 problems are based on Sead's rule concept, and type 2 is based on some numerical problems. We can take some kind of numerical problems. Okay, there are only, it's very easy chapter and only two types of problems are there. One is based on Sead's rule. About this Sead's rule, if you remember, we discussed in coding decoding part. If you remember, coding decoding is 7 types. Out of 7, one kind is mathematical coding. In that mathematical coding, I briefly explained about this Sead's rule. So anyhow, once again in detailed we are going to discuss about in this session. Okay, let us start by taking some concepts. First of all, we will discuss about Sead's rule concept. See, for example, I have to simplify this value. The value is 7 into 7 minus 7 divided by 7 plus 7. I have to find out the value of this 7 into 7 minus 7 divided by 7 plus 7. If you don't know that, usually mathematical or non-mathematical students, what they will do, first of all we have to multiply 7 into 7 48, then we have to subtract, 7 into 7 49, then we have to subtract 7, subtracting 7 from 49, how much you will get? 42 you will get. Dividing 42 by 7, how much you will get? 6 you will get. Adding this 6 to 7, 6 plus 7, how much I am getting? 13 I am getting. Usually you will think in that way, but this question you should solve by using only Sead's rule concept. You are not supposed to multiply first. According to Sead's rule, first of all you have to do the division. After division, then multiplication, then addition, later on subtraction. Okay, so before that we will take that formula. Formula is about Sead's rule. It is about Sead's rule. So here B stands for bracket. B stands for bracket, and O stands for off, whereas D means division. D means division. దాని బాగా హారము అని చెప్పి అంటాం, మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఐడియా ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్, దాన్నే గుణకారము అంటాం, మల్టిప్లికేషన్. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ వాట్ వీ కెన్ సే, D is there, M is there. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అడిషన్. అడిషన్ మీన్స్ దాన్ని ప్లస్గా తీసుకుంటాం, కూడిక అని చెప్పి అంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, సో దాన్నే తీసివేత, మైనస్గా తీసుకుంటాం. సో వెన్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సాల్వ్ these type of problems, you need to have an idea on Sead's rule. Sometimes simply Sead's we can say, or Sead's also we can say, where V stands for vernacular. Vernacular means it is a line. Okay, I hope you that about the vernacular concept we will discuss by taking one example. Okay, Sead's, V stands for vernacular. Okay, it is a bar, యూజువల్గా బార్ అని చెప్పేసి అంటాం. ఓకే, సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇలా ఉందనుకోండి, 4 minus 3 బార్ అని ఇచ్చాడు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ instead of separating by using any kind of bracket, simply is separated by using vernacular symbol. దాన్ని బార్గా తీసుకుంటాం. సో అదొక సెట్గా భావిస్తాం, దాన్ని ముందుగా సింప్లిఫై చేస్తాం. 4 minus 3 means how much? 1. ఓకే, లైక్ దట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సాల్వ్. ఓకే, యూ విల్ టేక్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకొని చూస్తే కనుక ఇంకా డీటెయిల్గా అర్థమయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో వెన్ ద టైమ్ విల్ కమ్ విల్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ దట్. ఓకే, కీప్ ఇన్ మైండ్ Sead's. V stands for vernacular, and here B means bracket, and O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and finally S means subtraction. See, observe here, to solve this question, is there any vernacular here? There is no bar. Is there any bracket here? No bar. Is there any off here? There is no off. Usually ఈ ఆఫ్ అనేది క్వశ్చన్ కనుక ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఉంటే వాటికి సంబంధించిన వాటిలో కనిపిస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 4% ఆఫ్ 100 అంటాం, 4% ఆఫ్ 100. సో హియర్ ఆఫ్ స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ నొటేషన్. ఓకే, సో ఎనీహౌ ఆఫ్ అనేది లేదు కాబట్టి అది యూజ్ చేయం. ఫైనల్గా నెక్స్ట్ ఏం యూజ్ చేస్తాం? డివిజన్. అకార్డింగ్ టు దిస్ రూల్, ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డివైడ్ దీస్ బోత్. 7 divided by 7, how much you will get? 1 you will get. So division part is finished. Next what you have to do? Multiplication. Multiplication means next you have to do the multiplication. 7 sevens are how much? 49. 49 -1 plus 7. Now I have only minus and plus. So according to Badmas rule, first I have to add, then finally I need to subtract. So చూద్దాం ఆ విధంగా చేస్తూ వెళ్తే కనుక ఆన్సర్ చేయడం ఈజీ. రిమెంబర్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ బ్రాకెట్ లేదు అంటే ఆఫ్, అది లేదు అంటే డివిజన్, లారల్స్ multiplication, later on addition, and finally subtraction. You need to go in this procedure, then only you will get the right answer. The answer obtained in that way is only రైట్ ఆన్సర్. మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా మల్టిప్లికేషను, సబ్ట్రాక్షను, తర్వాత డివిజను, అడిషన్ చేస్తే వచ్చేది కంప్లీట్లీ ఇట్స్ ఎ రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, నాన్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్లీజ్ beware about this concept. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now we can take ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఇంకా కొన్ని బిట్స్ తీసుకొని చేస్తే కనుక మీకు ఎఫెక్టివ్గా అర్థమయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. We will discuss by taking some bits. Okay, let us start the bits. Now we will start by taking questions. In that first question, so observe, find the value of 7 minus 18 divided by 9 into 5 plus 4. I repeat the question, 7 minus 18 divided by 9 into 5 plus 4. We have to simplify this value. To simplify this value, first we need to apply the Badmas rule. There is no vernacular, there is no bracket, there is no off. So ముందుగా చేయాల్సింది ఏం చేస్తాము అంటే డివిజన్. సో ఆ రెండు సింప్లిఫై చేస్తాం. 7 ఈజ్ యాజ్ యూజువల్ 18ని 9తో డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. 18ని 9తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే 2 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇంటూ 5 ప్లస్ 4. Into 5 plus 4. So now division concept is finished. Then we have minus, subtraction is there, multiplication is there, addition is there. According to Badmas rule, after division you have to do the only multiplication. That's why I am doing multiplication. So 7 minus 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is how much? 10. Okay, plus next is how much here? 4. Now so see, if you observe here, in this step division part is finished, in this step multiplication part is finished. So next minus undi, plus undi. According to Badmas munduga cheyalsindi plus. That's why see here plus 7 is there and plus 4 is there. 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 minus 10. Now I have only one step left. 11 minus 10 means how much I am getting? 1. Hence the simplified value of the given question is how much I am getting? 1. So ఆ విధంగా బాడ్మాస్ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని ముందుగా division, then multiplication, then addition, and finally later on subtraction. So ఆ విధంగా applying each and every step, each and every what you can say operation on each and every step. దీంట్లో applied division operation, on this applied multiplication operation, on this step addition operation, finally obtaining answer. Okay, this is completely obtained by using Badmas rule. I hope you understood. See, once again I took one more question, same question. Emanadu, see here also find the value of anadu. Here also find the value of this question. Find the value of this question. What is the question here? 5 plus 5 divided by 5 into 5 minus 5. I repeat the question once again. 5 plus 5 divided by 5 into 5 minus 5. First of all I need to do the division concept. Okay, so ముందుగా డివైడ్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి 5 ప్లస్ 5ని 5తో డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. 5ని 5తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే how much I will get? 1 I will get. Okay, into 5 and minus 5 both are as usual. ఇప్పుడు నాకు మిగిలింది ప్లస్ మిగిలింది, ఇంటూ మిగిలింది, మైనస్ మిగిలింది. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు బాడ్మాస్ ఐ నీడ్ టు అప్లై ఓన్లీ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. ముందుగా మల్టిప్లికేషన్ని అప్లై చేస్తున్నా. చూడండి ఏమొస్తుందో, 5 ప్లస్ 1 ఇంటూ 5. 1 ఇంటూ 5 మీన్స్ 5 మైనస్ 5. ఈ స్టెప్లో డివిజన్ ఎగిరిపోయింది, ఈ స్టెప్లో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆల్సో ఫినిష్డ్. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ప్లస్ ఉంది, మైనస్ ఉంది. అకార్డింగ్ టు బాడ్మాస్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ నీడ్ టు డూ ద ప్లస్. 5 plus 5 how much here? 10. 10 minus 5 means how much? 5. Hence the simplified value, or find the value of that means how much I am getting? 5 I am getting. See, if you do many problems you will get one interesting thing. Whenever plus and minus is there, whenever plus and minus is there, however you can apply any one. So ముందు ప్లస్ అప్లై చేసిన, మైనస్ అప్లై చేసిన, రెండే ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇఫ్ ఓన్లీ 2 ఆపరేషన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, ప్లస్ ఆపరేషన్ ఉంది, మైనస్ ఆపరేషన్ ఉంది, యూ కెన్ అప్లై ఎనీ వన్ ఆపరేషన్, దెర్ ఈజ్ నో ఇష్యూ. Okay, so if completely plus minus into divided by all operations are there, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. But only if plus and minus, there are only two basic operations are there. Think that, for example, so రెండే కనుక ఉంటే అంటే ప్లస్ ఉన్నా మైనస్ ఉన్నా ఆ రెండింటిలో ఏది ముందు తీసుకున్నా కూడా ఆన్సర్ ఏమి చేంజ్ కాదు. ఓకే, ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్. Still we can take some other questions. So now third question in this type 1, okay, on BODMAS rule. So దీంట్లో అన్ని ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా బ్రాకెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, దాంతోపాటు వెర్నాక్యులర్ కూడా ఉంది. 6 మైనస్ స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ మైనస్ 5 మైనస్ ఫ్లవర్ బ్రాకెట్ 9 మైనస్ రౌండ్ బ్రాకెట్ 8 మైనస్ 5 మైనస్ 2, ఆ 5 మైనస్ 2కి బార్ అనేది ఉండడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, దాన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేద్దాం. అకార్డింగ్ టు BODMAS రూల్ నేను ముందుగా సింప్లిఫై చేయాల్సింది వెర్నాక్యులర్ పార్ట్. వి BODMAS అన్నాం, వి స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్ వెర్నాక్యులర్. ఆ పార్ట్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తున్నాను. 6 మైనస్ 5 మైనస్ 9 మైనస్ 8 మైనస్ 5 మైనస్ 2. 5 మైనస్ 2 వాల్యూ ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్? 3. ఓకే, ఆ వెర్నాక్యులర్ పార్ట్ అనేది క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది. 5 minus 2 value is equals to 3. Next I have to simplify this closed bracket. So I mean this round bracket. ఆ రౌండ్ బ్రాకెట్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 6 మైనస్ 5 మైనస్ 9 మైనస్ 8 మైనస్ 3. 8 మైనస్ 3 is how much? 5. ఓకే, రౌండ్ బ్రాకెట్ ఈజ్ ఫినిష్డ్. ఆ రౌండ్ బ్రాకెట్ని సింప్లిఫై చేశాను. నెక్స్ట్ కనుక చూస్తే 6 మైనస్ క్లోజ్డ్ బ్రాకెట్ 5 మైనస్ 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is how much? 4. Okay, so this we can close it. Next 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 value is how much? 1. That's why 6 minus 1. Finally 6 minus 1 value is how much? 5. Hence the simplified value of the given question is how much I am getting? 5 I am getting. Okay, explanation once again. Find the value of 6 minus 5 minus 9 minus 8 minus of 5 minus 2. దీన్ని రెక్టాంగులర్ బ్రాకెట్ అన్నాం, ఫ్లవర్ బ్రాకెట్ అన్నాం, రౌండ్ బ్రాకెట్ అన్నాం. ఆ విధంగా సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే ముందుగా 5 minus 2ని సింప్లిఫై చేశాను. 5 minus 2 వాల్యూ ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్? 3. సో వెర్నాక్యులర్ పార్ట్ ఈజ్ ఫినిష్డ్. తర్వాత 8 minus 3 ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్? 8 minus 3 ఈజ్ 5. ఓకే, రౌండ్ బ్రాకెట్ ఈజ్ ఫినిష్డ్. 9 minus 5 ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్? 4. ఫ్లవర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఈజ్ ఫినిష్డ్. 5 minus 4 ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్? 1. rectangular bracket is finished. Finally 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is how much? 5. Hence the final answer for this question is equal to 5. చూడండి, దీంట్లో వెర్నాక్యులర్ పార్ట్ ఉంది, అన్ని బ్రాకెట్స్, డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ బ్రాకెట్స్, ఫ్లవర్ బ్రాకెట్, స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్, రౌండ్ బ్రాకెట్ అండ్ సో ఆన్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వెర్నాక్యులర్ సింప్లిఫై చేశాను, రౌండ్ బ్రాకెట్, ఫ్లవర్ బ్రాకెట్, ఫైనల్ స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్, అండ్ ఆన్సర్ is 5 I am getting. I hope you understood this type of question also. Now we will take some other questions. Next question is as follows. What he mentioned here, see, this is this type of question we already seen in coding, decoding, mathematical coding part. So anyhow, once again, in a certain code language, divided by means into means plus, plus means minus, minus means divided by. Then find the value of 16 into 3 plus 5 minus 2 divided by 4. I repeat the complete question once again. In a certain code language, divided by means into means plus, plus means minus, minus means divided by. Then find the value of 16 into 3 plus 5 minus 2 divided by 4. We have to find out that value. Usually this question can be solved by using BODMAS rule only, but you should not apply division, multiplication, addition, subtraction directly. There is a condition. What is the given condition? Divided by means what you have to take? Into you have to take. Similarly, into means what you have to take? Plus you have to take. So you have to apply that given condition. After applying the given condition, again you have to apply the BODMAS rule concept. Now we will apply the given concepts. So into means what he mentioned? Plus he mentioned. That's why 16 plus 3. Again plus plus means how much he mentioned? Minus he mentioned. That's why minus 5. Again minus means what he mentioned? Divided by. That's why divided by 2. Divided by means what he mentioned here? Into 4. I repeat this question once again. So this is the given question. This is the given question. He given some condition. I am applying that conditions for this step. 16 into means plus he mentioned. That's why plus. 3 plus means he mentioned minus. That's why minus 5. Again minus means divided by. So divided by 2. And finally divided by means how much here? Into. So I am getting into 4. Okay. I hope you understood this concept. Now instead of applying BODMAS rule for this step, now we need to apply the BODMAS rule for this second step. Now applying BODMAS rule. Plus is there, minus is there, divided by is there, into is there. According to BODMAS rule, first of all I need to do the division. See, applying division here, 16 plus 3 minus 5 divided by 2. 5, is it exactly divisible by 2? No, 5 is not exactly divisible by 2. If you will observe here, in previous 2 questions, previously we discussed the first question and second question. In first question and second question, when I am applying division, it is directly divisible. One number is directly divisible by other number. We can say one number is factor of second number. But unfortunately, in this third question, 5 is not exactly divisible by 2. That's why we can write simply 5 by 2. 5 divided by 2 can be written as 5 by 2. And into 4 is as usual. Into 4 is as usual. Okay. Now we can simplify this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay. In that way we can simplify. Now 16 plus 3 minus 5 into 2. 5 into 2, how much you will get? 10 you will get. Why I am applying into? Because plus is there, minus is there, into is there. Plus, minus, into. First what I have to apply? Multiplication I have to apply. That's why 5 into 2 is equals to 10. And finally plus is there, minus is there. First of all I need to apply plus. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 minus 10, how much I am getting? 9. Hence the answer for this question is equals to 9. See, remember only one thing, here 5 is not exactly divisible by 2. That's why you need not to worry. 5 divided by 2 is also written as 5 by 2, and into 4 is as usual. So now 2 1s are 2 2s. For example, think that ikkada 4 kaakunda some other number is there which is not a 2 multiple. For example, ikkada oka 7 undi anukondi, 7. 7, is it divisible by 2? No. In that case what you have to do? I have to multiply these both. You will get a fraction. For that fraction you need to apply LCM concept. You need to either add or you need to subtract. I need this once again. దీని మరొకసారి చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి పాయింట్. ఇక్కడ 4 కాకుండా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 7 ఉంది అనుకుందాం. థింక్ దట్ దెర్ ఈస్ 7 ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 4. 7, is it exactly divisible by 2? No. That's why what you have to do? 7 5s are 35. How much I am getting? 35 by 2. Here 16 plus 3, 35 by 2. Again 16 plus 3, 19. 19 minus 35 by 2. For the step we need to apply LCM concept. కాసాగు చేయడం అంటాం. కాసాగు చేయడం ద్వారా కానీ లేదా బై అప్లయింగ్ క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అడ్డగుణకారము అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని కానీ అవి రెండు, ఇఫ్ విల్ గెట్ ద ప్లస్ సింబల్ వీ నీడ్ టు యాడ్ బోత్, ఇఫ్ విల్ గెట్ మైనస్ సింబల్ వీ నీడ్ టు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ బోత్. సో వన్ ఈజ్ టర్మ్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. ఎల్సిఎం యూజ్ చేసి కానీ లేదా ఆ విధంగా క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ నుంచి కానీ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ బివేర్ అబౌట్ దిస్ పాయింట్. సో ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర కొంత జాగ్రత్త, అది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ డివైడ్ కావట్లేదు కాబట్టి 5 by 2 అని తీసుకున్నాను. ఫార్చునేట్గా ఈ 2 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయాయి. సో ఐఎమ్ గెట్టింగ్ 10. ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్ హియర్? 9. సో హెన్స్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 9. కంప్లీట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. ఐ డెంట్ రిటర్న్ కంప్లీట్ క్వశ్చన్. డివైడెడ్ బై మీన్స్ ఇంటూ, ఇంటూ మీన్స్ ప్లస్, ప్లస్ మీన్స్ మైనస్, మైనస్ మీన్స్ డివైడెడ్ బై. ఈ ఆస్క్ టు ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ దిస్. కరస్పాండింగ్ కోడ్స్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఫర్ దట్ కోడ్స్ ఐ అప్లైడ్ BODMAS rule concept. So this is the answer. Now we will discuss some other questions in mathematical operations. See, complete question. In a certain code language, Q means plus, J means into, T means minus, K means divided by. Then find the value of 30K, 2Q, 3J, 6T, 5. The way of asking question is different, but this question is also we are going to solve by using BODMAS rule concept only. Okay, I read out the complete question once again. In a certain code language, Q means plus, J means into, T means minus, K means divided by. Then find the value of 30K, 2Q, 3J, 6T, 5. Now what we will do? We will have to substitute the corresponding mathematical operations. Q ante emannadu plus, J means what he mentioned T, T means what he mentioned minus, K means what divided by. Okay, accordingly we have to take the given mathematical operations. 30, okay, but K means what he mentioned here divided by, that's why instead of K I have taken divided by. Next Q, Q means he mentioned plus, J, J means into he mentioned, finally T means what minus. Okay, wherever P is there, wherever Q is there plus, wherever J is there into, wherever T is there minus, and finally wherever K is there divided by. Accordingly I have taken the given mathematical signs. Now this is the step. You know already, we have seen many problems. For this step again you need to add the you need to apply the BODMAS rule concept. Okay, so first of all divided by is there, plus is there, into is there, minus is there. First of all divided by 30 divided by 2, 30 divided by 2, 30 divided by 2 means how much you will get? 15 you will get. 30 ని 2 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తాను, వచ్చే వాల్యూ దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అండి? 15 కి ఈక్వల్. సో డివైడెడ్ బై పార్ట్ ఈజ్ ఫినిష్డ్. ప్లస్ 3 into 6 minus 5. That is the step after division concept. Next plus is there, into is there, minus is there. First of all what I have to do? I have to apply the multiplication concept. I need to apply multiplication. What you will get now? 15 plus 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 5 I am getting. 3 6 are 18. So plus is as usual, minus is as usual. Applying multiplication concept for that. So hence that is the answer. See next one is what? Sorry, one more step is there. Next plus is there, minus is there. First of all we have to apply plus. 15 plus 18. 15 plus 18, how much you will get? 33 you will get, right? 33. 33 minus how much there? 5. 33 minus 5 means how much I am getting? 28. Hence the final answer is equal to 28. See, observe here. We discussed 4 5 bits. All these 4 5 bits are concept is same. In each and every question I am using BODMAS rule only, but the way of asking question is different. So ఇంతకుముందు క్వశ్చన్లో డిఫరెంట్గా ఇచ్చాడు. ప్లస్ మీన్స్ మైనస్, మైనస్ మీన్స్ ప్లస్, ప్లస్ మీన్స్ డివైడ్ బై some condition he given. Whereas in first question directly he asked to find the value of అన్నాడు. Whereas in this question Q means something, J means something, and T means something, finally K means something అన్నాడు. According to given condition, ఆ కండిషన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని అప్లైడ్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ వాట్ యూ కెన్ సే సైన్స్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఆఫ్టర్ గెట్టింగ్ దట్ స్టెప్ ఐ అప్లైడ్ BODMAS rule. Hence the final answer is equal to 28. Now we will take some other bits. Now this is also something different question. Okay, now we will see this question also. See the complete question. In a certain code language, when means into, u means divided by, come means minus, will means plus. Then find the value of 8 when, 12 will, 16 u, 2 come 10. This is something different question. Way of asking question is different. You know already. Again by using BODMAS rule concept only. I read out the question once again. In a certain code language, when means into, u means divided by, come means minus, will means plus. Then find the value of 8 when, 12 will, 16 u, 2 come, 10. Now what we will do, wherever when is there, we will take the code assigned for when. Wherever will is there, we will take the code or we will take the operation sign assigned for will. Similarly, u means what assigned divided by assigned, come means what assigned minus assigned. Accordingly, we will take all the conditions. Now see 8. First of all, when means what assigned into is assigned. That's why 8 into 12. Will means what assigned plus assigned. 16 u means what assigned divided by 2. And finally, come means minus assigned. I am getting 10. Simply he given some English words. For that words he assigned different mathematical operations, basic different mathematical operations. ఆ ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఉన్న వర్డ్స్కి కొన్ని గణిత పరిక్రియలని అసైన్ చేశాడు. ఏవైతే అన్నాడో ఆ విధంగా అప్లై చేశాను. వెన్ అంటే ఇంటూ అన్నాడు, విల్ అంటే ప్లస్ అన్నాడు, యూ అంటే డివైడెడ్ బై అన్నాడు, అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ come means he mentioned minus. Accordingly I have taken. Okay, now we will simplify this. See what I am getting. Again, by using Bodmas rule, I need to apply first of all division apply చేస్తున్నాను. 16ని 2తో డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. 16ని 2తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఎలా ఉంది చూద్దాం. 8 into 12 ప్లస్ 16ని 2తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే 16 divided by 2. How much I am getting? 8, because 2 ones are 2 8s. 2 1లో 2 8లో 16గా తీసుకుంటాం. -10. సో డివైడ్ బై ఎగిరిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటూ ఉంది, ప్లస్ ఉంది, మైనస్. ఐ నీడ్ టు అప్లై మల్టిప్లికేషన్. 8 into 12 plus 16 divided by 2 minus 10. 16 divided by 2 means 8. Okay, we know already. So 8 into 12 or 12 into 8. 12 8s are, we will get 96 plus how much? 8 minus 10. Now multiplication part also finished. Next what you have to do, plus part is there, minus part is there. First we need to apply addition. 96 plus 8. 96 plus 8 means how much you will get? 104 you will get. 104 minus 10. Final answer is how much here? 94. Subtracting 10 from 104. 104లో నుంచి 10 తీసేస్తున్నాను. 94 is the answer. See, nothing new in this. The only thing is when means into, will means plus, u means divided by, and finally come means what here? Minus. Everything is same. Applied Bodmas rule concept. Finally I am getting 94 is the answer. Okay, I hope you understood this concept. Okay, now there is one more question available. We will discuss that question also. See, once observe that question. I will read out the question completely. Just focus on that question. In a certain code language, into means plus, less than means minus, plus means divided by, greater than means into, minus means equal to, divided by means greater than, and finally equal to means less than. Then which of the following is true అన్నాడు. He given 4 options. Which of the following is true? He given 4 options. First option is and fourth option is none of the above అన్నాడు. Fourth option is none of the above. See, again the concept is same but something different question. కొంత టైం కన్జ్యూమింగ్. ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ చేయాలంటే కొంత టైం పడుతుంది. అది ఎలా అయినా చూద్దాం ఎలా ఉంటుందో. మళ్ళీ చూడండి. ఇన్ ఏ సర్టెన్ కోడ్ లాంగ్వేజ్, ఇంటూ మీన్స్ ప్లస్, less than means minus, plus means divided by, greater than means into, minus means equal to, divided by means greater than, and finally equal to means less than. Then which of the following is true అన్నాడు. Now what we will do, we will take each and every option and we will simplify that. ఆ ఆప్షన్స్ తీసుకొని సింప్లిఫై చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. I hope you understood this concept. Okay, I am doing trial and error method. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను, వెరిఫై అయిందా చూస్తున్నాను. సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ తీసుకుంటాను, వెరిఫై అయిందా చూస్తాను. సిమిలర్లీ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ ఇఫ్ 3 కూడా వెరిఫై కాలేదంటే నౌ ద ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ 5 గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 2 ప్లస్ 2 ఈక్వల్ టు 10 లెస్ దాన్ 4 into 8. This is the question what he given. Now for this question what we have to do? We have to apply assigned mathematical operation. ముందుగా చూడండి, this is called greater than. My dear non-math students, this is called greater than, whereas this is called less than. ఇలా ఉంటే కనుక less than అన్నాం, ఇలా ఉంటే కనుక greater than అన్నాం. greater than ఏమనుకున్నాడు according to codes? greater than means he mentioned into. That's why 5 into 2 again plus means he asked to take divided by 2. Equal to means he asked to take less than 10. Less than means he asked to take minus 4, whereas into means he asked to take 8. Now for this step we need to apply Bodmas rule. Less than ki left వైపు ఒక కండిషన్ ఉంది, less than ki right side ఒక కండిషన్ ఉంది. We have to verify both the conditions. I repeat, see usually Bodmas rule లో ఈ inequalities లేవు, less than greater than is not there. Then how means? That's why think that this is less than. There are two steps. This is one condition, this is one condition. For left side condition you need to apply Bodmas rule. For right side condition you need to apply Bodmas rule. Applying Bodmas rule for left side condition, into is there, divided by is there. I need to apply divided by 5 into 2 ని 2 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. 2 divided by 2, how much you will get here? 1 you will get. Again only one step left. 5 into 1 means 5 is the left side, final answer of the left side part. Minus, see here minus is there, plus is there. I need to apply plus. 10 plus 8, 10 plus 8 is how much? 18. 18 minus 4, 18 minus 4 is how much? 18 minus 4 means simply we can take 14. Now the question is what I mentioned here, 5 less than 14. I repeat this sentence once again, 5 less than 14. 5 less than 14 means what? 5 అనేది 14 కన్నా తక్కువగా ఉందట. మరి 5 is it really less than 14? Yes, obviously 5 is less than 14 only. అది సాటిస్ఫై అయింది కాబట్టి లక్కీగా మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఏమొచ్చిందంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఆన్సర్గా వచ్చింది. అలా కాకుండా వీ కెన్ టేక్ సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్, థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ ఆల్సో. వెరిఫై చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ కూడా తీసుకొని వెరిఫై చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ వాట్ ఈ మెన్షన్డ్ హియర్, 3 into 4 greater than 2 minus 9 plus 3 less than 3. This is the given second option. Now for the second option also again accordingly we have to take the given assigned mathematical signs. చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. 3 into means what he mentioned here, plus 4 greater than means he asked to take into, minus means he asked to take equal, 9 plus means he asked to take divided by, 3 less than means he asked to take minus. Okay, this is the what we can say final step after assigning or else after using the given condition. So then simplify చేయండి. into is there, plus is there. Again there is no equality symbol in Bodmas rule, no issue. So equality కి left side ఒక పార్ట్ ఉంది, రైట్ ఒక పార్ట్ ఉంది. left కి అప్లై చేయండి Bodmas, రైట్ కి అప్లై చేయండి. if both are equal we can take it as answer. If not, anyhow answer all you are getting. Answer is first option. Once again we'll see. See 3 plus 4 into 2, 4 2s are how much? 8 equal to, divided by is there, minus is there. First of all I need to apply divided by. 9 divided by 3, 9ని 3 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. 9ని 3 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి, 3 minus 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 3 minus 3 is 0. 11 is it equal to 0? No, 11 is not is equal to 0. అది సాటిస్ఫై కాలే కాబట్టి సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. I hope you understood. Okay, so in this way we have to verify. You can take third option also. మనకు చూడండి ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఆల్రెడీ ఆన్సర్గా వచ్చింది, బట్ ఈవెన్ దో ఐఎమ్ telling by taking second option and third option. So it's clear 5 is less than 14. That's why my answer is first option. Anyhow second condition is failed. Now we'll take third condition also. See only one condition left, right? That's why we can take that condition also. I hope you taken this, right? Greater than, plus, equal to, less than, into. According to you have to apply the given operations. ఏవైతే నెంబర్స్ అసైన్ చేశాడో అవి తీసుకున్నాను, దానికి బాడ్మాస్ రూల్ అప్లై చేశాను. కండిషన్ ఈజ్ వెరిఫైడ్. 5 is less than 14 అనే కండిషన్ వెరిఫై అయింది. సో ఆన్సర్గా తీసుకున్నాం. నౌ వీ కెన్ టేక్ వన్ మోర్ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ ఆల్సో. చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ వచ్చింది అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ, దట్స్ వై వీ కెన్ టేక్ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ ఆల్సో. వాట్ ఈజ్ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ హియర్? అకార్డింగ్ టు గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్, థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ 5 into 3 less than 7 divided by 8 minus 4 into 1. That is the given question. I repeat, 5 into 3 less than 7 divided by 8 minus 4 into 1. That is the given question. Now, we should not simplify directly because there is a condition. We have to take the given conditions. 5 according to given conditions into means ఏమన్నాడు? Plus into 3 and less than means what he mentioned? Minus 7 divided by means he asked to take greater than, okay, 8 minus means he asked to take minus means he asked to take equal to 4 into means he asked to take plus. I repeat this question once again. Into means plus, less than means minus, divided by means he asked to take greater than, again minus means he asked to take how much? Equal to. So anyhow, into means he asked to take plus. See here, you need not to apply this. Here greater than is there and equal to is there. Any other condition fails, but still we can see 5 plus 3 8 minus 7 greater than 8 is equal to 5. See, the condition here itself is failed. 8, is it equal to 5? No, that's why third option is also wrong. Or else 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 greater than 8 equal to 5 is the final step. 1 greater than 8 is equal to 5 is the final step. 1, is it greater than 8? No. 8, is it equal to 5? No. The condition fails. Hence, the answer is equal to 1. First option వచ్చింది కాబట్టి none of the above అనేది కూడా wrong answer. So by taking each and every option, we verified that. I hope you understood this kind of model also. Now we will see some other models. Another two questions, another two different models, another two different way of asking questions. Okay, I have taken in this session. Now, in a certain code language, again I am reading complete question. In a certain code language, @ means plus, dollar means minus. This is dollar symbol. Star means into. Delta means this is like a triangle symbol. Usually దాన్ని మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో డెల్టాగా తీసుకుంటాం. డెల్టా మీన్స్ డివైడెడ్ బై. దెన్ ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ 16 డెల్టా 8 స్టార్ $3 divided by 6 @ 3 star $5 9. Once again, in a certain code language, @ means plus, dollar means minus, star means into, delta means divided by. Then he asked to find the fraction. Fraction ఇచ్చాడు, ఒక భిన్నం ఇచ్చాడు, లవము ఉంది, హారము ఉంది. So numerator what he mentioned? 16 delta 8 star 3 delta 4. Denominator is 6 @ 3 into 5 delta 9. So again, as usual, same we have to apply the given signs. 16 delta means he asked to take divided by, star means he asked to take into, dollar means minus. So whole by 6 @ means he asked to take plus 3 star means he asked to take into 5 dollar means he asked to take minus. Okay, ఆ వాల్యూస్ అన్ని అప్లై చేశాను. నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అప్లై ద బాడ్మాస్ రూల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ సపరేట్లీ ఫర్ న్యూమరేటర్ అండ్ ఫర్ డినామినేటర్. లవానికి హారానికి వేరువేరుగా బాడ్మాస్ రూల్ అప్లై చేస్తే కనుక సి వీ కెన్ డూ ఇట్ డైరెక్ట్లీ బికాస్ వీ డిస్కస్డ్ మెనీ స్టెప్స్. విల్ గెట్ ద ఐడియా. 16 divided by 8, or else we'll take 16 divided by 8 means how much you can get? 2 you can get. 2 into 3 minus 4 whole by, and the plus is there, into is there, minus. I need to apply into first according to BODMAS. So 6 plus 3 5s are 15 minus 9. Now in numerator into is there, minus is there. First I need to apply into. 2 3s are 6. See, I am doing directly. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. It's clear. By similarly 6 plus 15 21. I repeat, 6 plus 15, 21. 21 minus 9. 21 minus 9 means 12 you will get. Okay, I am getting 2 by 12. I repeat this question once again. 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 4 is 2 divided by 6 plus 15, 21. Subtracting 9 from 21. How much you will get? 12 you will get. So 2 by 12. 2 by 12 means 2 ones are 2 six are 1 by 6 is the final answer regarding that question. Okay, I hope you understood. See, simply fraction is given. Applying BODMAS rule separately numerator, applying BODMAS rule separately denominator. Hence, my final answer is how much I am getting? 1 by 6. ఆ విధంగా సింపుల్గా చేసాం. One more way of asking question. So if you will see that question, next focus on next one. What he mentioned, he asked to find this in a certain code language. See the question, in a certain code language, what you can say, downside arrow. These are the symbols which is available on your computer keyboard. Downside arrow means divided by, upside arrow means into, right side arrow means plus, left side arrow means minus. Then he asked to find 25 downside arrow, 5 right side arrow, 3 upside arrow, 6 left side arrow, 8. I repeat this question once again. In a certain code language, every question will be same as it is. That's why I am, what you can say, simply saying in words. In a certain code language, downside arrow means divided by, upside arrow means into, right side arrow means plus, left side arrow means minus. So I given certain numerical numbers with 4 different arrows. Now instead of taking arrows, we can take the assigned mathematical operation. After that, we can apply BODMAS rule. Hence, you will get the answer. See, focus on this. 25. Downside arrow means he asked to take divided by. 25 divided by 5. Right side arrow means he asked to take plus. Upside arrow means he asked to take into 6. Left side arrow means he asked to take minus. Okay, so I am getting 4 different symbols. Again, by using BODMAS rule, we need to apply everything separately. See, 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 means how much you will get? 5 you will get. 5 plus 3 into 6 minus 8. Okay, now division part is finished in that case. Now plus is there, into is there, minus. I need to apply into now. 5 plus 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18 minus 8. Okay, so now plus is there, minus is there. I told you just now, whenever plus and minus are there, you can apply any one, you will get the answer. You can apply first minus, then later plus, or first this one and later that one. Anyhow, there is no change in the answer. Now if you will observe here, 5 plus 18, how much I am getting? 23. 23 minus 8. 23 minus 8 means what is my final answer? 15. Hence the answer for that question is equal to 15. Questions different గా ఉన్నాయి. డౌన్ సైడ్ యారో, అప్ సైడ్ యారో, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ యారో, రైట్ సైడ్ యారో, వాళ్ళకి సంబంధించి కరస్పాండింగ్ అసైన్డ్ నెంబర్స్, ఆ నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఆ న్యూమరికల్ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకున్నాను, యారోస్కి సింబల్స్ తీసుకున్నాను, BODMAS అప్లై చేశాను. సో దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 15 and whereas our previous question answer is 1 by 6. I hope you understood these two models also. Now based, see, these are the different types. Now further we will discuss. So as of now, in mathematical operations, గణిత పరిక్రియలు అనే చాప్టర్కి సంబంధించి I already told you there are 2 types. Till now we focused on only type 1. Type 1 మాత్రమే చూసాం. సో ఇక నుంచి టైప్ 2కి సంబంధించిన కొన్ని బిట్స్ కూడా ఎలా ఉంటాయో చూద్దాం. దీస్ బిట్స్ ఆల్సో కమ్స్ అండర్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఆపరేషన్స్. కొన్ని రకాలైనటువంటి గణిత పరిక్రియలని, డిఫరెంట్ ఆపరేషన్స్ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని ఇవి మనం చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ ద టైప్ 2కి సంబంధించి ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1, ఇఫ్ 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, comma 7 plus 3 is equal to 100, then 11, it's not into 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5 is equals to how much? I repeat the question. If 6 plus 2 is equal to 64, 7 plus 3 is equal to 100, then 11 plus 5 is equals to how much? Usually 6 plus 2, is it equal to really 64? No. But 6 plus 2 is equal to how much he has taken? 64. Usually 6 plus 2 అనేది 8కి ఈక్వల్, కానీ అక్కడ తీసుకుంది ఏంటి 64. అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ నీడ్ నాట్ బి ప్లస్. ప్లస్ అంటే ఇట్ మే హ్యావింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. ప్లస్ అనేది ప్లస్గా ఉండాల్సిన పని లేదు, అది డిఫరెంట్గా ఉండొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ అంటే మనం ఇట్ డజంట్ మీన్ దట్ వీ నీడ్ టు యాడ్, it doesn't mean that we need to add. Okay, so focus on that. If you will discuss 2-3 bits, automatically you will get the idea. Okay, now we will take first question. 6 plus 2 is equal to 64 he mentioned. For example, think that is there in the form of a plus b. 6 plus 2, how much I am getting? 8 I am getting. See here 64 is the perfect square and 100 is also perfect square, because 64 means 8 square we can write, 100 means 10 square we can write. Okay, so in that way. Now a plus b, indirectly the concept involved in that question is a plus b is equal to how much he has taken? A plus b whole square. Apply this concept for that question. Take first condition, 6 plus 2 is equal to actually how much? 8. 8 square means how much I am getting? 64 I am getting. Okay, similarly take second question, 7 plus 3 is equal to how much I am getting? 10. But how much he asked to take? 10 square. 10 square means how much? 100. For these two questions it is satisfied. Now we will apply for third question also. 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5 is how much? 16. 16 square value is how much? 256. Hence the answer for the given question is equal to how much I am getting? 256 I am getting. Okay, I repeat this question once again. The concept involved in this question is equal to a plus b is equal to ఎలా ఉంది? a plus b whole square లా ఉంది. Hence my answer is equal to 256. What I mean to say is ప్లస్ ఉన్నా, మైనస్ అని ఉన్నా, ఇంటూ అని ఉన్నా, స్టార్ మార్క్స్ ఉన్నా, సమ్టైమ్స్ డెల్టా సింబల్స్ ఉన్నా, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద నొటేషన్. ప్లస్ అంటే ఇట్ డజంట్ మీన్ దట్ వీ నీడ్ టు యాడ్. మైనస్ అంటే ఇట్ డజంట్ మీన్ దట్ వీ నీడ్ టు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ కోడింగ్. Okay, so kabatti beware about this concept. For example, now go to second question. What he mentioned here, 32. See, there is no basic operations, plus minus into ani ivvaledu, simple ga given star mark. 32 star 41, that is equal to 20. Then 16 star into 16 star 9 equal to 32. Then 13 star 17 is equal to how much he mentioned. I repeat, 32 star 41 equal to 20. 16 star 9 equal to 32. Then he asked to find 13 star 17 equal to how much. Usually మనకు స్టార్ అనగానే ఎలా థింక్ చేస్తామంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. సో థింక్ దట్ స్టార్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. ఐ ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్ యూ ఇట్ సీమ్స్ టు బి ప్లస్. అది ప్లస్లా కనిపిస్తుంది కానీ ప్లస్ కాదు, మైనస్లా కనిపిస్తుంది కానీ ఇట్ డజంట్ మీన్ దట్ యూ నీడ్ టు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్. సో ఆ విధంగా ప్లస్ అంటే కలపడం, మైనస్ అంటే తీసేయడం అని కాదు. దేర్ ఈజ్ ఏ హిడెన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇన్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఏదో డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని చూస్తాం. ఓకే, నౌ the concept involved in this question is, see, observe here, for example, AB star CD. Think that is there in the form of AB star CD. Add these two. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. Similarly, 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. 5 plus 5, how much I am getting? 10. But is it there really 10 here? No. How much there? 20 is there. What does it mean? He doubled that. What he ought to do? AB star CD. Simply he added a plus b plus c plus d. అన్నీ యాడ్ చేసి సింప్లీ ఈ మల్టిప్లై విత్ 2. ఐ రిపీట్ దిస్ మోడల్ వన్స్ అగైన్. ఏబి ఇంటూ సిడి ఈక్వల్ 20. సో ఏబి ఇంటూ సిడి ఈక్వల్ టు 20 అని చూడంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? యాడింగ్ ఈ గివెన్ 2 డిజిటెడ్ నెంబర్స్. ఆ 2 డిజిట్ నెంబర్స్లో ఉన్న డిజిట్స్ని యాడ్ చేశాను. యాడింగ్ ఆల్ ద డిజిట్స్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ నెంబర్స్ and doubled that given digits. Hence our answer is equal to that one. Now we can apply this concept for that also. Now take this one. 32 star 41 is equals to 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to, just now I told you, 10. 10 ni double chesthe how much I am getting? 20. Now we will discuss orally for second condition. Oral discussion. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 9, it's 16. 16 doubled 16. What I am getting? 32. Hence the condition is satisfied. Now we can apply for the given question. What is the given question? 13 star 17. 13 star 17 means adding all the digits. 1 plus 3 plus again 1 plus 7. Adding all these, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. Again what you have to do? After getting 12, I need to double that. Hence my answer is equal to how much I am getting? 24. What I mean to say is, in type 2 there is a sign of notation. Here plus means you should not add. Plus is a kind of symbol. Minus is a kind of symbol. Star is a kind of symbol. Delta is a kind of symbol. So it may involve addition concept, multiplication concept, or squares concept, cubes concept, and so on. So accordingly you have to apply different concepts, you will get the answer. I hope you understood these two questions. Okay, still we will discuss some other questions. Now regarding type 2, we already seen two different type of questions. Now we will focus on remaining types. Okay, so let's say we will start with this question. 3 plus 5 is equals to 16. I already told you, plus means it doesn't mean that we need to add both. Plus it is a kind of notation. Okay, similarly if you will take this question, here also star is a kind of notation. In further also at the rate is given. At the rate is a kind of notation. Okay, it does. Plus means it doesn't mean that addition. Minus means it doesn't mean that subtraction, and so on. Multiplication, division also. Remember in this type, so these are the some kind of notations. Okay, now we have to find out the relationship between the given numerical numbers. See, first of all here observe 3 plus 5. For example, think that plus means here addition only. 3 plus 5 means how much you are getting? 8. But how much he given? 16. Think that 8 doubled, so we are getting 16. Is it applicable same concept here also? 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is how much? 16. If I doubled 16, how much I have to get? 32 I have to get. But how much he given? 64 he given. Means that condition failed. Now we need to think in different way. See, one thing is clear. Here 64 is the perfect square. Similarly 16 is the perfect square. Similarly 64 is also perfect square. This is 4 square and this is 8 square. Okay, so now how we are getting? 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equals to, I am getting 8. This of this 8, I am doing half of the 8. How much you will get? 4 you will get. Square that. 4 square means how much I am getting? 16 I am getting. Indirectly the concept involved in this question is a plus b dividing by 2 and squaring the obtained number. Now we can apply this condition for second question also. Second condition what you mentioned? 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is equal to 64. 7 plus 9 means how much? 16. Of that 16 by 2 means how much you are getting? 8. Square that. 8 square means how much here? 64. Therefore for these two steps condition is verified. Now same concept we have to apply for this also. 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3 is how much? 14. I repeat this once again. 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3 is 14. Of that 14 by 2 means 7. Square that. 7 square means how much I am getting? 49. Hence 49 is the answer for the given question. The concept involved in this question is, for example, a plus b. A plus b means a plus b by 2 whole square. That is the concept involved in this question. Now observe here second question. 3 star 7 equal to 58. 5 star 6 is equal to 61. Then find 5 star 4. He asked to find that. Usually star means we may think multiplication, but there is no multiplication concept in that, because 3 7s are 21. Is there 21? No. 5 6 are 30. Is there 30 here? No. The concept involved in this question is 3. Square that 3. 3 square. 3 square means how much? 9. 7. Square the 7. 7 square means how much? 49. 49 plus 9. How much I am getting? 58. So indirectly the concept involved in this question is a plus b is equal to a square plus b square. A plus b equal to a square plus b square. That is the concept involved in this condition. Same condition you can verify for second question also. Second one is what? 5 star 6. 5 square means 25. 6 square means 36. 25 plus 36. Obviously, how much you are getting? 61. Hence, the condition is verified. We have to apply this condition for the given question. What is the given question? 5 star 4. 5 star 4 means, I repeat this again, 5 star 4 means 5 means 5 square, 4 means 4 square. 25 plus 16. 25 plus 16 is equal to how much I am getting? 41. Hence, answer for the given question is equal to 41. I repeat, the concept involved in this question is a plus b is equal to a square plus b square. That is the concept involved in this question. Now, last but one, observe one more question. See, we have one more question. What is that? 321 is it equal to 921? See, equal to means it doesn't mean that equal to. Equal to is also a kind of notation. Okay. 321 is equal to 921. 263 is it equal to 469. Then 594 is equal to how much? By observation, see, it is very clear. 3 is there, but whereas here 9 is there. 1 is there, here also 1 is there. See, 2 means 4 is there, 3 means 9 is there. Here middle number 6 is as usual, here middle number 2 is as usual. What about the extreme numbers? If you will observe extreme numbers, clearly extreme numbers are perfect squares, because 3 means 3 square, 1 means 1 square. Similarly, 2 means 2 square, 3 means t square. Concept is very clear. I repeat this again, middle numbers are written as it is. 2 means 2, 6 means 6. Extreme numbers are obtained by squaring the given numbers. So 3 square means 9, 1 square means 1, and so on. Now apply the same concept for 594. 594. How you have to take? 594 means 5 square. 9, middle number 9 is as usual 4 square. Now we will take the complete question. 5 square means how much? 25. 9 is as usual. 4 square means how much? 16. Hence the answer is equal to 25, 9, 16. Middle number is as usual. Extreme numbers are, it's by observation it is very clear, extreme numbers are perfect squares. The perfect squares are obtained by squaring the extreme numbers in the given number. 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 3 square means 9, 1 square means 1. Hence the answer is equal to 25, 9, 16. Now last question in this concept. See, observe here, 84 at the rate 72, that is equal to 45. Similarly, 63 at the rate 41, that is equal to 33. By using these two conditions, he asked to find the value of 25 at the rate 52 is equal to how much? Now we can establish the relation between the first two numbers. What is the first one here? 84. 84 at the rate 72 annadu. 82 at the rate 72. So usually by observation, 84. 8 minus 4 is how much? 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 7 minus 2 is how much? 7 minus 2 means simply I am getting 5. So this 4 and 5 simply written as 45. I repeat this question once again. 84. 8 minus 4, 4. At the rate is, you can omit that symbol. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 means how much? 5. I obtained 4 here, obtained 5 here. 4, 5 written as usual. Whether this condition is applicable for second case or not, we will verify. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. It is clear. 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. So 3, 3 written simply 33. That's why see here 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 means 5. I obtained 4 here, obtained 5 here. Hence 45 is the answer. Apply same concept for the given question also. What is the given question? 25, 52. See here, 2 minus 5 means you should not take minus 3. It doesn't mean that it is minus symbol. Indirectly subtracting small value from big value. Think in that way. 25 means 2 minus 5, it's not minus 3. You should not take minus 3. Indirectly subtracting small value from big value. 5 minus 2 you should take, or else no issue. You can take 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5, 5 minus 2. But don't take minus symbol. Just skip that symbol. You can omit that. 2 minus 5 means 3 we can take. 5 minus 2 means again 3 we can say. Again I am getting answer 33 only. Okay. These are the nice concepts. In type 2, what I mean to say is, plus means it is a kind of notation. Minus means it is a kind of notation. Similarly, multiplication, division and are also kind of notations. So hence these are the answers for this type of questions.